Welcome back, everybody. I wanted to start here with my biggest, baddest, happiest stacking girls over here and dive a little bit deeper into the discussion about the trichomes, getting a good look at them and seeing them change colors. Using this piece of equipment that nobody called me on, the misspelling of the photographer's loupe, L-O-U-P-E to L-O-O-P, which if you knew where I'm from, you would understand why I spelled it that way. But again, let's go back as close as we can and see what we can with our own phones, which is pretty awesome. With just that viewpoint, we can see the amber changing of the pistils. All those stringy things still searching for pollen, but putting that energy into this. Stacking buds, no seeds, which in Spanish is sin semilla. It's not a strain, it just means no seeds. They had it figured out, but I digress. Trichomes, we can't see with our phones unless we use an L-O-U-P-E to dive deeper. But I did just through the internet. Of course, other people out there have gotten a good look at those trichomes changing. First of all, looking at the shape of them is, again, nature's fabulous work of art. Those little mushroom capped containers, vessels full of the resins, the flavors, the ingredients that makes this weed delicious. So I've plugged in at the end of this video a few close-ups of those trichomes that I just pulled off the internet, added to the end of this video today. Day 63. I'm sorry I didn't talk to you today. My other girl, not as happy in the stacking. Let's see if her pistils are changing color. Not yet. That's why I'm giving them another week before we talk time to harvest. So let's get some discussion going, not just about my misspelling, but about this happy time in our harvest, our growing, coming close to harvesting. Let's hear some discussion.